Investors and traders, welcome to the channel Market Chart Pattern. Today is 30th of July 2023, and I hope everyone is having a great weekend. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the gold market, the platinum market, and also the silver market. We will look at these markets through the eyes of the futures. So this is what we're going to do. This video is for educational purposes only, and it is not a financial advice. So guys, we are looking at a daily chart of the gold futures. This is the continuous contract. I'm using TradingView, and I'm using their data for the continuous contract of the gold futures. Now what we are looking at here is something of interest. We have seen gold rally since November 2020, November 2022, and of course it has had some bigger declines like this one, and then it rallied again, and then it had a decline, and these declines have been of similar magnitude. This is something we like to call market symmetry, and we discussed this on our channel Market Chart Pattern in quite a few different markets. The concept is that markets like to repeat over and over again, and we try to find that harmonic synchronization in that move or in that market. And what we have seen is here we had a decline in this move higher from November of 2022 to around the beginning of this year 2023, so around February. Then it declined, then rallied again, and it declined, or a retracement, and they have been of an equal amount so thus far. And also this terminated this move right at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement of the swing high. And now what has happened or transpired as of last Friday, the market has closed above this swing, so it has taken this swing high out. So let me actually try to draw it like this. Here we go. And now this is an interesting situation because what it has likely done is that price pulled back right into this 20-day moving average. This is where on last Thursday the market closed, but on Friday it opened higher and closed higher, and also took this swing high out. Now it was also a contract switch, so because of that we have also seen this gap higher as well, but the key point is that this 61.8% Fibonacci retracement has been held, and we have this market symmetry. So what could happen now is that gold seems to be entering its seasonally bullish period, and we could see a retest of the highs of around $2080 and also if we just for a shorter term take an expansion of this move, and we go for the 1.272 and 1.618 expansions, we get a target of 2130 to about 2195, roughly even we can say $2200 shorter term, and that could also mark the completion of a bigger ABCD cycle here. And if we just move it here we go, we can see the 1-to-1 projection comes around $2,170 per troy ounce for the gold market. So it's also gonna be in between this ballpark figure. So this is the kind of the range that we are looking for the upside target, as long as this 618 retracement is held. So let me actually try to write it here just to emphasize this point, that this 161.8% retracement is pretty important here, that as long as this point to the downside is not taken out, then we are looking for a move higher in the gold market. Now let's take a look at platinum. Now platinum is showing a different pattern, but the pattern formation is in the shorter term a little bit more clear. Unlike gold, the platinum has seems to be more a weaker commodity, and what we have seen is a double bottom formation here. This double bottom formation should come in if this 1000 level is taken out to the upside. So far what we have seen is a rejection of this, But the interesting pattern is that what it has done is it has done an A B C D move down right into this double bottom formation, which also came in at around this close to the 61.8% retracement, a little bit lower though. And what it is doing now is, in a shorter term on the daily chart, it has had an ABCD or one-to-one projection move right into this 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, and the market closed positive for the day last Friday. So we'll be watching this zone of 938 to about 920. That is going to be the support zone. As long as the market seems to be respecting this, there's a possibility that we might in fact be in a move of one-to-one projection higher, A B C D, which could take the market this market higher into, let's just draw this from here, about 1038, so 1038. That is possible as long as this support level is held. Moving below these and especially taking these lows out will also break this double bottom, which has provided some sort of potential double bottom, which has provided some sort of support, and then this market would move much lower. But for now, what we are looking at is this pattern formation, and we will update you in due course how this will pan out. Let's take a look at the silver. Here, the silver, what it has done is it has completed a retracement right down to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. It moved higher, took this swing high out, and now it has done a one-to-one ABCD right at the 20-day moving average. And here, what we are looking at is a possibility that this commodity might also in fact be in this bigger ABCD cycle higher, which could see the price go up to 27.20. Now this is all dependent upon some key support level that need to be respected, and the key one for us is this 22. That's gonna be the key support coming right at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. As long as this is respected, there is a greater chance that in fact this is the one-to-one projection on an ABCD move higher, taking us to about 27.21. So this is what we are looking at in these precious metals markets. So we covered platinum for you guys, we covered gold, and we also covered silver. So thank you very much for watching the video, and I wish you guys good luck and good trading.